Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a smooth slow-mo velocity video, and I'm going to show you how you can do it fast. So I've already imported a video on my CapCut, and I want to make this into a smooth slow-mo or velocity. And here what you need to do is actually pretty easy. You can just select the video on the timeline, and then here click on style, and you can just swipe until you find the auto velocity option. So just click on that feature. Okay, so now it's generating. You can just wait until the auto velocity process is finished. Okay, so it's done, and you can also adjust the auto velocity to set the interval between two beats. I'm going to just leave it as it is, but if you want to adjust it, it's up to you. It's into your liking. So just go back, and here is the final result. So you can see now it has a smooth slow-mo velocity added. And I think that's all. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. And last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it from today. See you guys next time.